we're doing all of this. We have content where whatever recording, whatever it is, we have all this content. What if we just kept doing what we're doing? We keep our content and say in 5 years, then we can bring someone on board to really do something with that content, right? And the whole thing is that we catalog everything because we're dating everything in the process of how we're going. So it keeps it easy, right? The videos are all dated and everything, right? So it's not that part was too hard. Now it's like now at that point, people can now see how we started, right? And we would have more money to even do that on a bigger scale if we wanted to, and if we wanted to sort of like come out at that point and say like this is who we are, and this is how we got here. What got me thinking about this is it's so crazy. Like, did you all see the documentary Tiger King?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Are you kidding? We all went through quarantine.
Right? Yeah, exactly, bro. They had all this video, and like, where did they have all this documentation from? They've been documenting all this stuff forever, and all of a sudden, this Tiger King. No, I didn't know that a Tiger King existed. No one knew about that. Yes, it's crazy, but the point is that they had all this recording and all this stuff, and they were able to tell a story, right, about how all this happened. And so we could potentially do the same thing. And at that point, we can now open it up to the larger public, where before then, it's only open to actual investors, accredited investors, right? But then when it's open, but yeah, it's just an idea, but I was thinking about that.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.